Oh, what's this?
This is an animal puzzle.
Animals. I like animals. What kind of animals do you have in there? Can you show me the animal? And what does a lion say? Do it again.
We only can do that, and this is our life. Subscribe to our channel, please.
Let's see.
We got a rhinoceros, a lion, a giraffe,
Who do you see?
ostrich, elephant,
An elephant.
and a rhinoceros.
No, the blue one's the rhinoceros. This one is the
Hippopotamus.
hippopotamus. Who else, Luna?
Giraffe. Zebra.
Who's that, Luna?
Zebra.
And what about this green guy?
A crocodile.
A crocodile. Okay, who are we gonna put in first?
Me.
What? We can't put you in the puzzle. You won't fit.
I am put in the puzzle.
What are you doing?
I fit in the puzzle.
No, you don't fit in the puzzle. You're too big.
I know that.
No, are we gonna put this together or what?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, which animal is first? What is that?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. Hey, where does a giraffe live? A giraffe lives in Africa.
Africa.
You know what? Oh, these animals live in Africa. This is the African animals puzzle. They all live in Africa. Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah.
So let's see. Do you know what a giraffe says?
I don't know.
I learned the other day that a giraffe does make a sound, but he makes his sound so low. It's such a deep sound that it's too low for us humans to hear. Only other giraffes and animals can hear him because our ears don't hear that sound. Isn't that cool?
So
That's pretty cool, huh?
So we can't talk to each other.
The giraffes talk to each other with that low sound.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm not talking about the giraffe. I'm talking about us.
We talk to each other with our words, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's what their words are like. They're too low for us to hear. Luna, you got ahead of us. We got it. Okay. Looks like Luna put everything away. Okay, well, let's talk about this guy. Who's this?
Mommy.
What? That's not a mummy. That is an ostrich. Very good. Do you know what an ostrich says? I have no idea. I don't know. We'll have to look it up sometime. Who else is there? Let's see. Who is here? Who's that?
Lion. A lion.
What does a lion say? Let's see who else we can find in there. Who is this handsome green fella?
A crocodile. A crocodile.
A crocodile. What does a crocodile say? Good chomping. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yeah, very good. That's how I like to do it. All right, have a seat. Let's see who else is there. Who is this cute little purple guy?
A hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus. Do you know what a hippopotamus says? I don't know. I think he kind of low rumble growls a little bit too. Why? I don't know. But let's see what else is in there. Who is this cool blue guy?
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. Do you think the rhinoceros makes a sound?
No,
I don't know of any sound that he makes.
me neither.
Me either, but he's still cool. He's not actually blue though. For that matter, a hippopotamus isn't actually purple. All right, let's see who else. Who is this little gray fella? What's an elephant does say that? You think an elephant does? Ooh, that's a good elephant sound. He goes. I'm not very good at that. Ooh, pretty good, Link. Where'd you go? There you are. What is that thing? What is your arm doing? What are you pretending to be?
That's my trunk.
Oh, your elephant's trunk. Do you have an elephant's trunk too? Show me your elephant's trunk, Luna. good. Nice job. All right, let's see who else. Who is this cute little black and white fella?
A zebra.
A zebra. Do you know what a zebra says? Well, do you know?
No.
A zebra makes, it's like an, it's a weird sound. It's kind of, yeah, it sounds kind of barky. Really, it does. It's a weird sound that zebras make. Oh, by a zebra. Hey, do you guys have any other animal puzzles? Oh, watch out, watch out. Are there any other animal puzzles?
There's only one more.
There's one more animal puzzle?
No.
Oh, look at that. Look what Luna found. Cool. Well, Luna found this other puzzle. Let's take a look and see who's on there. Who is on there?
A sheep, a pig, and a cow, a horse, and a farm.
And a farm. Cool. Do all those animals live on a farm?
Yeah.
They do. Wow. Which one's your favorite, Link? The horse is your favorite too? You both have the same favorite? Which one is your favorite?
Piggy.
The piggy's your favorite?
Only just a piggy.
Okay, what does a piggy say? That's a good piggy sound. Can you make a piggy sound, Luna?
Oink, oink, oink.
Oh, that's a good one too. Luna, which one's your favorite?
None.
You don't have a favorite animal?
What about the sheep?
Oh, is it the horse? The horse is your favorite? Oh, that's a good horsey sound. Link, can you make a horse sound too? Oh, good job. Oh, that's pretty good. Nice job, you guys. Okay, who else is on here? You know which one's my favorite? The cow. What does it? What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. Is that what you think it sounds like?
Those cows sound like that, and the other cows sound like.
What other cows?
All of its body is brown, and also its feet, and it has these things.
Horns?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean a bull?
Yeah.
That's a boy cow.
And it's called this.
It's called a bull. That's a boy cow.
And it's this sound.
Oh, okay. Do you see the animal we didn't talk about yet? I think it's this guy's favorite. He says, my favorite is the sheep.
Okay, let's get it.
What does a sheep say? What? Oh, okay. Can you make it? That sounded a little bit more like a goat, actually, Luna. Bah. Bah. Bah.
Thanks to Luna. I was with us. Bye. Have you seen the llama? Tell me if you found him.